अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद यानी कि एबीवीपी विश्व का सबसे बड़ा विद्यार्थियों का संस्थान है। तो चलिए देखते हैं कैसे शुरू हुआ इसका सफर और कैसे इसके कार्यकर्ताओं ने इसे पूरे विश्व में फैलाया।
In 1948, Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad was founded. 9th July 1949. It was established and registered at Delhi according to the section 385. Whereas in 1949, Bharatiyakarn campaign was started. It was a nationwide opinion poll for the name of the country, Bharat, the national anthem, Vande Mataram, and the national language, Hindi for the country. In 1952, literacy campaign was organized. All India conferences were held, whereas the annual national conferences started after the 1956. From the year 1961 to 62, the participation in the movement of liberation of Goa and the civil defense against the Chinese aggression was held respectively. In 1966, the project Students' Experience in Interstate Living was launched by Sri Acharya Giriraj Kisorji, who was the first full-time worker at Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad.
1968 First All India Abhyas Workers Study Camp in Mumbai. The project My Home is India was launched. 1969 to 70 organized All India conferences in Markistan-infested states West Bengal, Kolkata and Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Charged the atmosphere with slogans Vande Mataram and Bharat Mata Ki Jai. 1970 started participating in Students' Council Union elections, first in UP and then in different states, resulting in victory. 1970 to 1971 regular provincial Abhyas Vargas commenced. Kendriya Abhyas Mandal, which later became central team, started functioning. September 27, 1970 the first national level of demonstration in Delhi. A charter of demands containing demands like making of atom bomb, voting right at 18 years, student participation in university administration was presented. 1971 propagated the ideological concepts today's student is today's citizen, student power, nation's power, and social participation of students. Gajendra Gadkar Committee on Education partially accepted the demands for students' representation in university administration. November 1973 All India conferences at Ahmedabad resolved to stress the social and national role of student power. December 1973 Gujarat agitation against corruption starts with ABVP's involvement. 1974 All India student leaders meets held at Delhi and Varanasi. A clarion call was given for a struggle for transformation. Bihar student agitation starts with ABVP's involvement. ABVP's major role in agitations in Gujarat and Bihar against corruption and price rise. Gujarat government resigns, agitation in Bihar becomes more aggressive.
1974-1975 ABVP Silver Jubilee year was celebrated. A grand conference held in Mumbai which fully supported Bihar agitation. Chhatra Sangharsh Samiti formed. The Bihar agitation turns into national agitation. In February 1975, first national seminar on educational changes were held in Delhi. In March 1975, national movement spread and strengthened. Mammoth demonstration held in Delhi under the strong leadership of Jayaprakash Narayan Ji. 1975-1976 Internal emergency were clamped on the country. ABVP workers were arrested. More than 10,000 workers offered satyagraha under the aegis of Lok Sangharsh Samiti. Many workers offered their active services for underground struggle. 650 workers underwent imprisonment under MISA. More than 4,500 workers were arrested under different sections of law and they were jailed. In March 1977, Lok Sabha elections, that is Loktantrik Yuva Morcha, were formed. and movement emerged victorious against the dictator. In April 1977, a proposal for dissolution of student and youth organization and merging them as youth wing of ruling party made at meeting of many such organizations at Sarna. And it was rejected by a Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, and they stressed on being above the party politics. ABVP continued its work since then in the following manner. First woman full-time worker was appointed. Participations in the relief works in the cyclone in the various hit areas of Andhra Pradesh. Thumping victory at student elections in the union, and they participated in literacy campaign throughout the country. In May 1978, decision was taken not to participate in student council elections for the time being.
June 1978, Gramothan Hetu Kshetra Student for Rural Reconstruction campaign launched. Effective work was done in 350 villages. In August 1978, presented to Prime Minister a representation demanding for education reforms. In November-December 1978, ABVP's representative in the youth delegation to the USSR, ABVP was recognized as the largest student organization of India by all other organizations. In March 1979, Saichik Jyoti Yatra from the Patna to Delhi, demonstration by the 10,000 students before the parliament. Petition containing 8 lakh signatures was submitted to the Lok Sabha. 1979 to 80, seminars on various issues of educational changes at 6 different places in the country. Relief service were offered to the victim of flood in Morbi, Gujarat. 1980 to 81, student demonstration for highlighting the educational demand at the state and university level. Various aspects of work emphasized constructive work, all-inclusive, and stress on impact on the campus. And next, decision to observe 6 December Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Nirmana Divas as Social Equality Day. And next, Lok Sabha Abhiyan intensive campaign for awakening the voters before the Lok Sabha election.
September 1981, a national seminar on the policy of reservation at Patna. January 1982, public awakening campaign for scrapping of Article 370 from the Constitution of India and other issues. May 1982, first Vichar Baitak at Mount Abu, Rajasthan. 1982 to 1983, Swatantrata Veer Savarkar birth centenary celebration. Emphasized on his views on social equality, organized Samant Jyoti Yatra starting from Ratnagiri to Chaityabhumi in Mumbai, Maharashtra. July 1983, National Seminar on Student Unions, Elections and Functioning, Delhi. 1983, prominent role in Save Assam movement, countrywide awakening, Assam Jyoti Yatra from Raighat, Delhi to Guwahati. Historic Satyagraha at Guwahati on 2nd October 1983. 1985, International Youth Years programs, district level conferences to highlight youth policy and rights of the youth.
1987, Organizational Vichar Baitak at Sri Rangapatna, Mysore. Shahidi Smarak Jyoti Yatra from Amritsar to Delhi, that is Sheesh Ganj Gurudwara, for people's education on Punjab's problem. University level symposia on new education policy 1986 were held. Call for crusade against the elite corruption in purchase of Bofors gun. Rashtriya Sangharsh Morcha formed, organized student parliament. Nationwide programs and signature campaign in support of Tibetan freedom movement. 1988, launched movement against corruption in education and politics. Sangharsh Parv declared large gathering of student leaders held at different levels. Call for struggle for systematic change and economic independence. Student for Development Forum started for the promotion of rural development, appropriate technologies, environment protection, etc. First All India Abhyas Work of Girls Worker, Mumbai. 1989. Impressive programs organized on the occasion of the birth centenaries of Bharat Ratna Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Dr. K.B. Hedgekar, founder of the RSS.
April 1990, ABVP organized third Vichar Baithak in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. Public awakening against terrorism and violence in Kashmir. Study group visited Kashmir. National convention was organized in Delhi. Kashmir Bachao Andolan, Save Kashmir Movement, nationwide college Bandh closure on August 22, a mammoth demonstration of more than 10,000 students in Jammu on September 11. On September 14, Prime Minister VP Singh was entrusted national flag, which he promised to host at Lal Chowk at Srinagar. Active participation in Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Ayodhya movement. In 1991, Silver Jubilee of Steel Exchange India Limited SEIL, students tours organized in Northeast and rest of the country. National Youth Rally was held at Guwahati. More than 36,000 students participated in demonstration against Naxalities violence in Andhra Pradesh and Hyderabad. Professor Yashwant Rao Keller Youth Award Institute 2-year plan mooted for organization expansion and consolidation. Call for Safe Campus movement was conducted. Parishad observed Swadeshi Week, initiated Swadeshi movement. In June 1992, Satyagraha at Teen Bigha, Bengal, against handing over of Teen Bigha enclave to Bangladeshis was conducted by Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad.
In July 1992, ABVP hosted the International Youth Convention in Delhi under the auspices of the World Organization of Student and Youth. The same year, in the month of September, more than 86,000 students participated in the Safe Campus movement at the Mammoth demonstration in Bangalore. Not just this, ABVP volunteers provided service activities for the earthquake victims in the area of Uttarkashi in Uttar Pradesh. In 1993, ABVP organized an All India meeting in Mumbai to study the activities of students for their development. It also conducted a Prakash Yatra to visit social projects. A study group visited Bhutan to study the problems of the non-Bhutanese people living there. From the year 1990 to 94, ABVP did an active and successful agitation in Maharashtra for the reaming of Marathawada University after Bhimrao Ambedkar. The idea of safe campus culture was initiated by ABVP. Huge rallies with the motto of Safe Campus, Safe Education were held all over India. At Mumbai, around 132,000 students participated in this historic rally. In July 1994, a national seminar in Delhi was held by ABVP on financing of higher education. Also, the following year in May 1995, again a national seminar was held by ABVP on private universities and their desirability and viability. From the year 1995 to 96, ABVP took the decision to fight against the corruption in politics and in high places. Agitations took place all over India under the Jan Sangharsh Morcha.
July 1996, National Seminar on Law Education, Delhi. November 1996, countrywide agitation against the proposed Miss World Beauty contest at Bangalore. 1996 to 1997, birth centenary celebrations of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and Golden Jubilee Year celebration of India's independence. Programs were held all over the country. August 1997, observance of National Security Week, awakening of people about the threats to the security of the country. August 15 as Sankalp Divas. 1998, programs against the Islamic terrorism in Tamil Nadu. A report on the issue prepared by a study group. August 1998. Submission of a memorandum on higher education to Dr. Murli Manohar Joshi, Union Minister for HRD. 1998 to 1999. Golden Jubilee Year of ABVP Foundation. Various programs on the occasion of Golden Jubilee Year. Inaugural function on July 9, 1998 at Delhi with Prime Minister Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee as chief guest. Important personalities participated in the functions at all over the provincial centers. Countrywide tree plantation campaign in June-July, 1.5 lakh saplings planted.
In 1999, Chetawni Divas observed throughout the country against the new passed law. June-July 1999, National Awareness Against Pakistani Aggression in the Kurdish Sector program full of national spirit, blood donation, National Defence Fund collection, etc. were taken. September 1999, Jan Jagran Abhiyan for voter period of the Lok Sabha election. October 1999, relief work and fund collection taken for the victim of cyclone in Odisha. November 1999, Vistar Yojana as per part of SIL in Assam. All Indian Student Convention along with National Conference at Lucknow. August 2000, Rashtriya Suraksha Abhiyan program organized to celebrate 50th year of Indian Republic.
Memorandum on Economic Policies to the Prime Minister. Protest against Chinese dumping goods in Indian market. 2001. Nationwide survey for fee structure in India for higher education. 2000. Nationwide students tour as part of SCIL. First All Indian Convention for Janjari students along at the National Convention at Jaipur. February 2001. Relief activities for the people affected in India. For October 2001, protest against the terrorist attack on Parliament. 2002, initiated debate and movement for educational change and employment. July 2002, All India Students Leaders Convention at Bhopal on the above issue.
Rally, seminar, debates, Shiksha Yatra, etc. Number 26, 2002, Mahamatha Student Rally for Educational Change and Employment. Memorandum submitted to Prime Minister. December 2002, participation of 5 delegates in National Youth Conference held in London by National Hindu Students Forum. August 2003, campaign against Pepsi and Coca-Cola. 20 to 21 September 2003, National Symposium on Employment Causes and Remedies in Mumbai. July to September 2004, widespread agitation in many states against the commercialization of education. October 2004, 50th National Conference, Jaipur. Participation of 35 foreign students as guest delegates. February 2005, demonstration of in front of Parliament demanding the above legislation.
Now guys, it is a time to tell you about what ABVP has done till now. ABVP has a protest against prescribing perverted textbook of NCERT from June 2005 to August 2005. Also, we had a student national conference on the role of unions in July 2005. ABVP decides Vande Mataram campaign in view of the century celebration. It is the movement against partition of Bengal in August 2005. ABVP has launched a All India Abhyas Work of Girl Workers in Bhopal in November 2006. ABVP co-hosted South and South Asian Youth Conference organized by World Organization of Students and Youth in Mumbai in January 2006. ABVP gives nationwide shutdown call against Bangladesh on November 2012.